back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I've made a video about food. Now that I'm back, and this is the time of pandemic, and I hope everybody is safe out there. Everybody is safe and well. Yeah, today we are gonna make a red velvet cake. So let's begin with the ingredients that we have today. We have here red food coloring, vanilla powder, baking powder, cocoa powder, and flour. As usual, I'm gonna start with the dry ingredients first. In a large bowl, add flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and red food coloring. Red velvet is a dark color, so I'm going to add a small amount of a quarter teaspoon of red food coloring. For a wonderful aroma, I'm gonna add vanilla powder. Then next is baking powder. Baking powder lightens the texture of cake by enlarging air bubble within the batter. For a cup of flour, you should add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And for baking soda, you use a quarter teaspoon of soda for each cup of flour. And lastly, I'm gonna whisk to combine everything together. Our next ingredient is a cup of water, sugar, 3 eggs, and oil. I'm mixing all our dry and wet mixture together. And I'm going to start with the oil. Then add the 3 eggs once at a time. Once at a time. I'm adding a cup of water to it, and lastly I'm going to add sugar. Mix together using a hand mixture until smooth. Again, this process should take just a couple of minutes. Pour the butter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake for about 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. To get rid of air bubbles, tap the pan on the counter a few times after filling it with the butter. Now, doing so will bring the bubbles to the surface and level out the top of your cake too. Mashallah, we are done with our first cake. It came out like this and it looks so great. Remove the cake from the pan and let them cool completely. Assemble the cake. Cut the tops of the cake to create the flat surface. Make the crumbs out of the left pieces of the cake and then set it aside. Here is the left pieces of our cake, and we are going to decorate with the cake later on. Place one cake layer on your cake stand. Spread evenly with a bit less than a half of frosting. Add the second layer of the cake. Gradually spread the remaining frosting on top in the sides of the cake. mashallah, our today's cake turned out like that. It looks so beautiful and yummy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Don't forget to subscribe us. And yeah, please share. Until next video, bye bye.